Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video, we're going to be going over how you can build a 100k a month OnlyFans management agency in 2025. Now if you've been following my channel for any period of time, you will know that I'm very systems focused. My personal belief is that through the right systems, with the right talent, that you can run a successful business without having to do any work yourself, okay? All that needs to take place is that you install and set up the right systems and infrastructure. You have good, talented virtual assistants to run those systems and infrastructure, and away you go. Very little work needs to come on your side. Now, for an OnlyFans management agency to run to 100k a month, you only really need 4 key systems. Those systems are a model recruitment system, so the ability to sign high quality models, a onboarding system, so the ability to onboard them professionally and quickly, a management system, so the ability to manage the actual OnlyFans account, and the fourth system is the promotional system, so the ability to get the model subscribers. Now, if you've got those 4 systems running very efficiently, producing really good results, then you can scale, you can sign and scale model accounts, and you can take a percentage of their earnings, and you can make 100k a month really quick. You could either scale one model up to 200k a month on 50% rev share, or you could have 5 models doing $50,000 a month, and you'd be able to make $100,000 a month yourself. So this is how you want to scale up an OnlyFans management agency. Now, with these results, with these systems that we've helped our students implement, as you can see, they work. I'm running them at my own personal agency, but as you can see, look, JP installed our model recruitment system, signed his first model. Then 90 days after this, after implementing the other systems, he was able to scale models up to 50k a month consistently. Ash scaled his agency to 10k to 20k a month. Ryan scaled up to 13k a month. Vic, $25,000 a month for just one model. And so on and so on and so on. As you can see, we've got tons of results of people scaling up their OnlyFans management account, as you can see here. Now, I'm running this myself, so I'm going to show you a little bit of sneak peek into the Discord. So here, as you can see, we've got my chatters in a private Discord server, and each and every day, they're managing these model accounts. They're filling out the end-of-day reports, and they're just sending earnings to me. So all I have to do is wake up, check up these end-of-day reports, and we can see that the money is coming in nice and simple, okay? So for these 4 systems, the ones that you need is what we spoke about earlier, is a model recruitment system, we need an onboarding system, a management system, and then finally we need a promotional system, okay? So these 4 systems working in tandem will 100% get you up to 100k a month, okay? Now, in terms of these systems, what we actually need to be building with in regards to these systems is very important. So the main emphasis of each of these systems, most importantly the model recruitment system, is to have is to be able to track the system, okay? So the way that we go about doing this for my own personal agency and for my students' agencies, which allows us to get these sort of leads booking in. As you can see, this is back in 2022. My calendar was just packed day in and day out. To do this, we need to be able to track. So the way that we track personally is through using a model recruitment dashboard, okay? So we have this model recruitment dashboard that we have implemented, and it allows us to track the number of outreaches. It allows us to track the follow-ups, the response rate, the DM to booked call rate. So we can actually see, okay, how many DMs do we need to be sending in order to get a model signed at my agency who is over 5k a month? And you can quantify that number. So let's say for every 200 DMs, you sign a high quality model. Then all you need to do is just scale up the amount of DMs that you're sending in order to sign your next model. So if you want to sign a model every single day, then all you need to do is set up a system which can send 200 DMs a day, which a virtual system will do that for you, and you'll be able to sign a model every single day. Now, another important aspect of the model recruitment system is to deliver value en masse. Okay, we're going to deliver value en masse. Now, to deliver value en masse, it's very hard if you're, having to deliver value for each person individually. And lots of businesses still do this in order to sign these high ticket clients, like a 10K a month model. They deliver value, for that individual model, and it wastes a ton of time because each potential model they want to sign, they have to deliver value to, they will have to nurture that relationship themselves, and then they can get the opportunity to work with that model. However, you can deliver packaged value. So we build these value assets. So packaged value, which we send out to all the models that we're interacting with. They get value from the packaged value that we've built. And then that does the process of delivering value en masse for us. All we need to do is send out these packaged assets to the model. Now, what am I talking about when I say packaged assets? We have this, for example. This is a model audit. And we can send this out to models. They can see exactly what they could be implementing further in order to make more money. Perhaps they try to implement it themselves, some of this stuff, and they start making more money. Okay, so you can build a packaged asset around anything, but mainly it's either saving time for the model or it's making more money. So you need to pick one of those two lanes, and then you need to build a packaged asset on how they can save time, whether you help them with a content planner, help them get a little bit more organized in the business, building out, giving them a network to do shout-outs with other OnlyFans models, or, it could be anything. It can be anything, but it just needs to deliver value to them. We've had people even build out these pre-sexting scripts, which is saving time because they've already got a script pre-made, and they can just implement the script within the chats when they're talking to subscribers, and they can sell a bunch of content and make some money from it as well. Okay, so you need to make sure, first off, it is valuable. Okay, so we have tracking, so we know our numbers of the model recruitment system. We're delivering value en masse. And as a result of that, we're getting high quality models who are interested in working with our OnlyFans management agency. And then finally, what we want to do is we want to automate this whole system here. Okay. So we do automation through virtual assistants. So once you've got automation with virtual assistants, you can have a virtual assistant who will send these DMs for you. It's already pre-built, what they need to send, the accounts they need to send it from. They then deliver the value en masse. So you already got a pre-packaged asset that you've already built that these virtual assistants can send to the model. And then you can put them into a follow-up system, which will basically just keep on sending emails or keep on sending SMS to them, whatever form of contact that you send to deliver the value to them. And they will eventually book in a call. Okay, so that's all done for you. The virtual assistant will send the DMs, they'll send the value, they'll put them into the follow-up system as well. So in terms of follow-up system, it can be as simple as an email campaign using a software like Lemlist, or you can be sending, SMS with, for example, this software here, Fix Your Funnel. Okay. Then we've got the onboarding system. Now, the main purpose of the onboarding system is to make it as professional as possible, so they feel like they're working with an established agency. If you onboard a model, they sign the contract, then you onboard them, and then it's just a very sloppy process to getting them started, then that is going to have some buyer's remorse. So once they've bought into your agency, they're then going to be regretting their decision, and we don't want that. We want it to be as smooth as possible so we can get them up and running and start making money for them and ourselves as quickly as possible. Now, the way we do this is by building a client folder for them. So we have a pre-built client folder that we can send out to these models. So we just duplicate it from one of our model accounts, set it up for them, give them access to that. Within the client folder, we have the model reporting. So they get to see the exact reports of how much money they're making with their OnlyFans account and the future developments that we're going to be making. So model reporting. And then in addition to that, we also have content creation guides. Okay. So content creation guides, which we can fire out to models, which are already pre-built, and they will then just go ahead and create the content that we need. And then we can get started on selling that within the account and leveraging that content for promotion. So it's very simple. Obviously, you need them to sign a contract so you can have that built into the onboarding system as well, or you can have that built into the model recruitment system. So, once you've hopped on a call with them, you close them, you send over the contract. But at that point, you just need to set up the client folder so they have a workspace they can interact with. They can message you as well. Model reporting so they can see how their account is doing. And then content creation guides. Okay, so the exact guides they need in order to make content. Okay, nice and simple. Then for the management system, all we need is, of course, we need a tracking system for this as well. We need to be able to track how well we're doing within the account. Otherwise, you don't know whether you're doing good, you don't know whether you're doing bad, you don't know what you need to change, you don't know what you need to implement. So tracking the numbers within the account is important. And then we have a chatter system as well, okay? So the chatter system can be looking in the form of done for you, pre-trained chatters. So this is what we do at my agency. We have pre-trained chatters. So we have a private community of over 1,000+ chatters. And we're basically training them within that community. And then as soon as they decide that they want to work with an agency, we can then select the best of the best out of that community and plug and play them into a model account. And this is where we got the chatters for my agency here, as you can see. Now, in terms of these chatters, we then want reporting for the chatters. So we want, an end of day. We want end of day reports to be sent to us after each shift, so we know how much money they're making within the accounts, how active is the inbox, whether we need to ramp up the promotional efforts. We then have further chatter training, a chatter scorecard, so we know whether we need to improve the process. So we can pitch them against each other so they can see how they're doing compared to other chatters. And they can take tips and tricks from other chatters who are doing a lot better as well. So we have pre-trained chatters. We have chatter reporting, which is built into the tracking system. And then in addition to that, we also have chatter training as well. Okay, so we have further chatter training and maintenance. Okay, nice and simple. We want to make sure that we're effectively having meetings with them, having recording of meetings, having a thorough hiring process, onboarding process for chatters, and all of that. And then it's very much plug and play. So we just literally plug and play a pre-trained chatter into these model accounts. And then all they're doing is chatting inside of these model accounts with the scripts that are already supplied, with the training that they've already received, accessing the content that we've already set up within the onboarding system. And all they need to do is just sell that content within the account. Okay, nice and simple. You get to the point where it gets very easy to onboard models. You onboard a model, you insert a chatter in the account, they can just start printing money straight away. Okay, and then we have the promotional system. So again, for promotion, we want to be tracking our numbers. So we want to know exactly how much we're spending on promotion. If we're launching some paid campaigns, we want to know exactly if we've got virtual assistants managing the operation for us. We want to make sure that we know their return on investment that they're getting. Okay, so for every $3 an hour that we spend on a virtual assistant, what does that translate into the number of subscribers that they're bringing into an account? Are they bringing $50 worth of subscriptions into the account for every hour that they spend on the promotional system? If so, then we know it's worthwhile. We can scale up the hours and we can scale up the earnings. Okay. So we want to track and know our numbers. Now we can also incorporate OnlyFans tracking links so we can see exactly what platform is performing better. If we've got different virtual assistants on different platforms, we can track the numbers and we can know which one is doing better. So we have the tracking system for the promotional system. And then we have the promotional setup and infrastructure. So as you can see here, for the infrastructure, it's very simple. The promotional infrastructure is in the form of setting up promotional campaigns on essentially different subscriber mediums. Okay, so the subscriber mediums are such as TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit. These are platforms that you can promote OnlyFans models on to get subscribers. Okay, so we set up the infrastructure. So we set up the accounts for Reddit. We set up the accounts for Instagram, the accounts for TikTok. We have the infrastructure there. Then we hire virtual assistants to go in and basically just post content with the best strategies. Now we also give the promotional, our virtual assistants access to bots. We also give them access to systems that they can use and automations that they can use to scale up the account further. So we give them access to systems. And then we also have the virtual assistant, VAs. And then we also give them access to bots. Okay, so they just use the systems, virtual assistants, and bots within these promotional infrastructure that we've got set up for them. Okay, and this is all you need to get to 100K a month, because the goal of this system is to sign high quality models. So we want to be signing high quality models. And that's the output of this system. These are all the inputs here. Then the output of the onboarding system is to be efficient. So we get them from point A to Z, being onboarded with our agency as quick as possible. And we make it very simple for them to go through the onboarding process as well. The goal of the management system is to very simply make money inside models' accounts. So within inside their OnlyFans accounts. And we do that by installing chatters who just go in the accounts and print money. And then the goal of this system is to just get subscribers for models. And once you've got chatters trained up with the right system, they can effectively do this. Once you've got the onboarding system set up, you can efficiently onboard OnlyFans models. Once you've got the model recruitment system set up, you can efficiently sign high quality OnlyFans models consistently. And then once you've got the promotional system set up, you can get subscribers for your models. And it's just a question of just scaling up the processes. So whether it's hiring more virtual assistants, applying more leverage in terms of spending some more money, implementing different softwares, you can just scale it up. But these are the foundational systems that you need for your 100K a month OnlyFans management agency. And these are the examples of the system. So we have the roadmap here. Again, this is the roadmap that we give to our consulting students that they just need to implement. And as you saw within OnlyFans Millions, these are the type of results that they're able to achieve through these 4 systems: the recruitment, the onboarding, the promotion, and the management systems. Okay, it's all pre-built for these virtual assistants that we sign. So they've got the systems, we sign the virtual assistants, we give them SOPs to implement, so standard operating procedures to complete day on day, and they just produce results. Okay, nice and simple. Now, I've also got this document here, which is breaking it down. You can find this document within the link below. You'll find it within the free OnlyFans Millions community. And if you are interested in getting started, then you can book in a call down below, and we will help you set up by installing these done-for-you systems that were already got built for my own personal agency that are working right now, and you can just implement them for yourself. Okay. So that is the first link in the description below. But as you can see, we've got all of the actual management systems here. We've got the pre-trained community, which has actually over 6.2 thousand members, where we train chatters, a chatter ticket system, so you can request the chatters to be installed, the tracking of the promotional systems, and setting up the dashboard and everything like that. Okay, so you can get some really insane results. So I hope you got some value from this video. The purpose of this video is to just break down how simple the business can be. Lots of people get very confused when doing this. Like, for example, if you've signed your first model and you're trying to get them subscribers, you just try a bunch of different strategies on all these different platforms. But what you really need is a predictable system that is already working, that you can just plug and play, and then sign virtual assistants who are trained to manage that specific system, and you will get results. Okay, so if you got some value from this video, please click that like button, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care.